My name is Eric Davidson, and I'm the VP of Product Design at Tacton. So customer experience, in essence, I believe is how well we can fulfill the intentions and the needs of our customers and the people that we set out to serve. I think customer experience is built over time when customers are interacting with us, and I think the sum of all of those interactions become the ultimate customer experience. People have different needs, they come from different backgrounds and different experiences, and we need to make sure that we can meet people where they are so that they can actually solve the tasks they need to solve and reach their goals. So basically, when we get started on developing new capability in the TactonCPQ product, we're always concerned with two things. The first thing is figuring out what the right thing is to develop, and then ultimately building that thing in the right way. And in essence, it begins by just trying to understand the context of use, understand where our customers are and what problems and pain points they're experiencing today. And ultimately, we want to move over into more of a solution discovery phase where we try to figure out different types of approaches on how to solve their problem. And this is where a method like prototyping is very powerful, where we can actually simulate the vision of the end user experience. And then we can actually use that to gather feedback quickly and gather input quickly to make sure that we're actually solving the problem in a good enough way. And a lot of the times we do follow-up interviews with customers to verify that we actually checked all the boxes we needed to check. And we can also, of course, leverage quantitative measurements in our platform to see how a feature is utilized. So one thing that we worked on was the enhanced Salesforce integration that we released earlier in 2022. Secondly, it comes to the topic of providing a capable and powerful configuration experience. Our engine is very capable of making decisions for you, but as a sales user in the moment, you want to have more control. You want to have better tools and better ways of reading the information, using data coming in from external sources, or, for example, embedding external applications within the configuration interface. We've also worked with allowing the end user to create a more personalized experience by molding the interface in different ways that promotes the current context of the user. So I think all of these things combined can help the sales user to make better decisions when configuring, but also learn more about how the product is structured and what the next steps should be.